Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unbagging the July Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I am an Ipsy ambassador, so they do send these to me a tiny bit early so I can share it with you guys and you can kind of get a sneak peek at what might be in your bag. But one of the most exciting things about Ipsy is you can actually go onto their website and customize your bags. You can pick a couple of products from their list of available products that you would like to see in your bag, or you can make it a surprise. That way every month it's like Christmas and you get like a little surprise in your mailbox. So if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription service. They have a couple of different tiers. So they have the standard Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples, and then they have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month and you get full size samples. So here's what the bags look like for the month of July. You got this nice kind of, I don't know, faux leather, pleather, however you want to call it, gold bag here. And then this is like the Santa sack or whatever, I don't know, people call them, for the Glam Bag Plus. The theme this month is Stay Golden, which is perfect for the month of July, like in the midst of summer, am I right? And it says, this month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. Adorable. Okay, well, let's hop into the original Glam Bag here. The zipper is really cute. It has this little, it's very like, it kind of reminds me of like Egyptian. So let's go ahead and open it up. The first thing I see in here is by the brand Hip Dot. So funny because I talk about Hip Dot a lot in my like anti-haul / products I want videos. But I've never actually owned anything from Hip Dot before. So I like that it came in the little bubble wrap. That just means it's nice and protected. The packaging is really cute. It's pink. Pretty. Is this a blush? It's called Red Moon. I'm assuming it's a blush. It sure looks like it. Tiny for a blush, but I think the pan is big enough to kind of get your little brush in there. Like I said, I've never tried anything by Hip Dot before, but it is a really well-known brand. Okay, next thing in here is by Briogeo, one of my favorite hair care brands. Really good brand so far this month. I know we're only 2 products deep, but this is their Superfoods Kiwi and Avocado Mask. Okay, so actually I just filmed my June favorites video and I have the products here right now. I was talking about their mango and cherry superfood shampoo and conditioner. I have not tried the avocado and kiwi though, so I don't know if it smells good. The cherry one smells amazing. So if this smells like anything like that, then I know it's gonna be good. Oh yes. Super sweet, and it's green, it's bright green, and it's a hair mask. So I don't know, if I like the smell of it, I might be tempted to get the shampoo and conditioner because I love the cherry and mango one so much. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Nomad, another pretty good brand. They've had a couple of Nomad products in our bags prior that they've sent over, so it must be just like a really Ipsy popular brand. So this is, let's see, it says intense eyeshadow on it, so it must be a single shadow. Cute, itty bitty. I don't love gold eyeshadows. That's the one color that I just, gold and blue are just colors I don't necessarily lean towards for eyeshadows, but the packaging is adorable. This is a cute way to try the brand, to try a color. Okay, 2 products are left in the bag. So the first one is by KVD Beauty, Cake Pencil. That's new. So she has the locket, or I guess I can't refer to she because it's not Kat Von D anymore. KVD, you know what I mean. The locket, which is a liquid liner. Is this a pencil? It is! I've never tried this before. I'm excited. Ooh, it's like melty. Ooh, it's really creamy. Oh, okay. I'm excited for this. I don't love black eyeliners. I much prefer brown eyeliners, but I'm really excited to try that out. And the last thing is this itty bitty First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I've tried this before. I had a full-size bottle of it before, and I really like it. So this little teeny one is cute. Might be good for travel or whatever. They have a good scent to them. No, that's another one. There's like a coconut one that has a good scent to it. This has no scent to it. Okay, let's dig into the Glam Bag Plus. So this one also has that same, like, I don't know what it reminds me of. It's giving me like, I don't know, I guess Princess Jasmine vibes. So the first thing in here is a brush set by MOTD, another brand that I see quite a bit in these Ipsy bags. A lot of brushes from that brand, so it must be a brush brand. So this looks like, are these facial brushes? This is their Golden Gem, oh yeah, bronzer brush. This one is a sculpting brush, and then this one is a cheeky, get cheeky with it. How cute. I have a ton of brushes and I feel like I'm pretty set on my brush collection, so I might hand these over to, you know, my mom or my sister. But that's a really cool thing about Ipsy, is if you don't have a big brush collection, you can almost always get either brush sets, even in just the regular Glam bag. So the $12 Glam bag, you can get full-size brushes pretty much every month. So this is a really good way to build your brush collection. Okay, next thing in here is by Wander Beauty. This is their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Oh, they're like the patches you put on your eyes. I haven't used eye like patches in a really long time. So this says it's individually packaged gold foil eye masks to help brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Well, I can use that. I've been sleeping horribly lately. Oh, there's a lot in here. There's like 1, 2, 3, there's 6 packets in here, which is nice. So I've never used these before. If you guys have, let me know what your thoughts are. But I think I'm gonna try these tonight. These remind me a lot of, what is it? Peter Thomas Roth has gold patches for your eyes, so this kind of reminds me of that. Okay, next thing in here is by Artist Couture. That is Mac Daddy's brand. I've tried a couple of things from his brand. He has good stuff. So this is the Silky Lip Oil. I love lip oils. Lip oils are really in right now. Like every brand is coming out with a lip oil or has a lip oil. This is much brighter than I was expecting. I don't know why I was expecting like a nude color. This is in the color Delicious Silky Lips. They usually don't have much color when they go on your lips. That's much brighter than I was expecting. So let's see. It smells like watermelon. It smells really good. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put some on. Yeah, it tastes like watermelon too. It definitely leaves my lips super silky. This doe foot is huge, you guys. It can cover like your whole lips in one swipe. Lip oils are great if you have dry lips, if you want to wear something on your lips but you don't want like a balm or a gloss or a lipstick, you just want something on your lips. Lip oils are a really good way to do that. Next thing in here is by the brand Ill Machias. I've tried things here and there, but I'm not like a huge fan of Ill Machias. This is their Black Card Lift and Curl Lengthening Mascara. I have a lot of mascaras I'm trying to get through. So, oh, cute packaging. I like the white. Let's see what the wand looks like. Super skinny. This reminds me a lot of Roller Lashes wand, where it's like kind of Benefit Roller Lash. It's kind of like dome shaped, but really skinny. The bristles are plastic. There's only bristles on the top. There's no bristles on the bottom. So I could see that being a really, I don't know. No scent. Oh yeah, a little bit of a scent. Okay, last thing in here is by the brand, what is this? Dr. Eve R Youth. Never heard of that brand before. Limited edition vitamin C night moisturizer. So vitamin C is super in. It's been super in for the past like year, but I have to be really sparing with it because my skin hates vitamin C. I don't know why. I mean, it's supposed to do great things for your skin, brighten, yada yada, but I do have a vitamin C day serum that I kind of use every other day, every third day, and that seems to work for me. So I'm hesitant to add a vitamin C night anything on top of that, but this is probably a really good product. I just want to smell it, but it smells like oranges. That's another good thing about vitamin C products, is they always smell like oranges. No, actually, there's really no scent to this one. All right, guys, well, that is what was in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will link their website down below for you. It's not an affiliate link. I don't get any money, any kickback, anything if you guys choose to sign up. But either way, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you next time.